Hi, I am TRT, the virtual travel assistant for Team Reese. Thanks for being here and let's have fun.
Hey y'all, it is Ray from Team Reese Travels, and guess what? We are back for another travel tip Thursday, and you know what? We are going to continue on with the extension I was talking about last time. And what is that extension? Travel Arrow. Travel Arrow is an extension you can add from the Chrome store that will automatically go into. Travel Arrow is the Chrome extension that you can add to automatically to Google Flights to give you the ability to search other websites and see what the price comparisons are for the flights. But guess what, y'all? I found out something else you can do with Travel Arrow. And what you can do is you can use Priceline or Hotwire.com for this extension as well. And how do you use it? I'm going to show you. So we're going to use the hotel arrow to look up the flights. So we all know if you go on Priceline, and Priceline has what's called, I think it's mystery deals. Let's see. Let's go. We're going to go to, let's find exotic place. Let's go to Dubai. Nope, I don't know where that is. We're going to go to Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and we'll go around this time here, we'll say to the 11th. We'll do 2 adults and 1 child. Now, normally when I'm looking up hotels, I don't put in that we're bringing a child because most hotels allow you to, your child can stay for free when they're 12 years or under. But traveling internationally, I don't know if it'll still work that way. It should, but I don't want to test the water. So let's just put this in to make sure that RJ is accounted for. So let's look up Find Your Hotel. So when you go to look up Find Your Hotel, Priceline brings up the following information. It brings up what they have is called express deals and price breakers. What you're going to go to is express deals, because express deals is going to allow you to use the travel arrow. So go to express deals. Express deals brings up the hotels in the area that they've kind of pre-booked for you, but they won't give you the name, right? So we're going to do a 5-star hotel in the World Trade Center. Now, we don't know what the name of this hotel is. We don't know what this hotel is going to be. We just know that this particular hotel for these dates with the express deal is 23% off. And right now it is $52 a night, which is a subtotal of $156. So you know you're going to get a hotel for that rate plus taxes and fees. But let's click on it and see what happens. We don't know what the hotel is, right? So as it comes up, still mystery, you can click here to reveal the room, or with the Travel Arrow website, it lets you know that it's going to be the Voco Dubai United Emirates website. And that's the hidden hotel that's found. Now you can go and search it on Google, or you can book it on Priceline. So if you click and book it on Priceline, you get the following. Gives you all the information right here about the hotel, what you will get in your room. It says it's a guide you at the Nasima Royal Hotel, the Voco Dubai. Tells you everything's going to be in the room. 8.4 very good rating, staff 8.8, cleanliness, and location is good. So don't book it here to show rates, because you know now this is the hotel you're going to get with Travel Arrow. That the hotel Travel Arrow has showed you what hotel you're going to get. You're going to choose your room as you always do, and then go through the whole process. Now that's simple and easy. What I used to do was I used to go and reveal the image of the room, and then I would screenshot that image, and then I would put it in Google Lens. Google Lens will examine that picture, and it will show me the hotel that you will get to. So you could do that as well if you don't want to go the Travel Arrow website site. But I would suggest you use that because you get more options and you get to see more as well. So let me show you this same hack on Hotwire. So let's go to Hotwire, and I've already put in the same thing on Hotwire. So on Hotwire, they have what's called the hot rate. The hot rate is what is going to be a particular hotel, but again, you don't know what it's going to be. So their hot rates are averaging $83. So let's just say we want the hot rate, which is a 5-star boutique hotel on Hotwire. Right now, it's $59 a night, and for 2 nights, it's going to be $147. All right, we're back. Little snafu there, but we are back. So we're going to go down to this particular one, this hot rate 5-star hotel. It's in the Business Bay, MBR City, Maiden City area. $50 per night, which is going to equal $125 for 2 nights. We don't know what the room is, right? We click on it, same information. What do you get? Travel arrow lets you know that that room is going to be the Radisson Blu Hotel at the Dubai waterfront on TripAdvisor. So you can click on here, go to TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor will give you all of the information that you would need about the hotel. You can get the views, the ratings, everything you want to know. You can get on TripAdvisor. And once you do that, if you like what you see, come back to Hotwire, click on select your room, get your room for that rate plus taxes and fees, and boom, there it is. That is another way you guys can use Travel Arrow to book your hotels and get the cheaper rates for your hotels. I know it's cool, it's amazing. I even saw a way, guys, of how you can get you can use miles, you can earn miles through Travel Arrow. I haven't done it yet, but it is all dependent on what particular airlines you book. But I'll look into some more research on it and get back to you on that. But thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you can always know about the new content and the new hacks and the new things that you can do that Team Reese Travels is bringing you. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you and have a great week. Bye-bye.